What up, YouTube? I'm back with another video this afternoon. I just got off work. I know I made 2 videos today for the lunchtime motivationals, and I want to make a third one, but didn't get a chance to. But now I'm making it now. My name is Tyrone, and in these series of videos, I've talked about different ways to make money, how to save money, how to look at things different, and some things that you don't get on other YouTube channels. I'm gonna tell you straight up the gut what you need to do, what you need, don't need, how to save money, how to make money, how to have a certain mindset on certain things. Okay, so in this video, I'm gonna talk about, my last video I talked about the reasons to have the email list. I gave you those reasons. In this video, I'm gonna touch upon that subject, why you should have an email list. And the number one reason that this applies to any business you have, is it offline or online. It don't matter what business you run, you need an email list. I don't care if you wash cars for people, you still want an email list. And the reason why you want an email list, so you could contact those people or whenever you want and give them special deals or discounts, or inform them on different events, or inform them they won something. So having an email list is so vital to any business. Wash cars. I was telling my uncle a couple of videos ago that there's a couple of kids in my neighborhood, they'll wash cars for $10. They'll come around my neighborhood and wash cars. So if they had an email list, say, hey, what's your, I'm gonna push down my email list so I can email you discounts and stuff like that. So if they email me saying, hey, we'll wash your car for $5 on Sunday or Saturday, you know, one day only sale, I jump aboard. But, you know, if they don't email me or contact me, I wouldn't know about it. So if you look at every business on this planet, Walmart, Amazon, Apple, Google, any business, Groupon, Nike. I mean, you go to a mall now. If you go to a mall now and go to a store for the first time, I mean, it could be Candle Yankee. Like, I don't go in there. If I go in there today, 9 times out of 10, if I pick up a candle, I like this candle, it smells good. I put on the counter to pay for it. The first question they ask me, did you find anything okay? Oh, yeah, I did. So it asks you, do you want to sign up for our email list? We'll email you discounts and promos. Most people will say, yeah. Absolutely. So all they need is your first and last name and your email address. And what will happen is, next couple weeks, they'll email you different promotions. Get in now, you know, Black Friday, Cyber Monday stuff. They'll email you different discounts all the time. And that's a business. That's a real business. So it keeps you in a loop. It keeps your customers engaged. So the business is based on repeat customers. You need the same person to buy from you again and again and again. That's why people wash cars. That's why barbers have barbershops. Pretty much when you have a barber, you go to that guy for a long time or the girl for a long time. If you get your hair done, women, you pretty much go to the same person over and over again because you like that person, you have a rapport with that person. You can relate to that person. They get your hair done nice. They're doing a good job. So you go to that person over and over. They build trust with you. And that's the same thing with any other business. You want to do the same thing. You want to build trust. You want to email them on a regular basis. You need a list of subscribers, a business. So I use Aweber to hold and to send emails to my list. I use Aweber. So if you use my link in the bottom of the video below, you get a 30-day free trial. And after that, it's like $20 a month. It's $20 a month. And to the amount of people you can sign up to your list and build a real business, it don't matter what kind of business it doesn't matter what business you run today. I mean, you go to a cutting grades company and they're asking for your email address. I have pest control in my house. I have the Orchid Man. Email me. They don't call me. They don't text me. They email me. Hey, your appointment's coming up soon. Or, hey, this is coming up soon. Or, hey, how do we sign up for this? All done by email. Every major business has email. Everyone. So you have to get in. No matter how big or small, business you have, get an email list. That's my reasons why you should have an email list. There are multiple ways of building a list. I just take your time, find what business you want to run, how to get some subscribers, and email them. I email them once a day. It doesn't have to be about deals. It could be about certain content or how their day is going or communicate with that person. Like I said in my last video, I believe I said this, that when you have that cousin that you don't talk to, you only see on the holidays, if it takes you out the blue like that, you be kind of like, who is this? Or this is unexpected, like what they want. But if you had an uncle that you talk to on a regular basis, and you talk to them at least once, twice a week, you look forward to them calling you. You look forward to, okay, I ain't heard from so-and-so in a while. Let me talk to them, see how they're doing. Because you're usually talking to them. Same with the email business. You have to talk to your list, your customers, your clients on a regular basis. I'm not saying 3 times a day. Maybe once a day or once every other day or 3 times a week. Get them engaged to keep them open and let them know that, hey, I care about you. I'm going to keep emailing you. Just know that, hey, I didn't forget you. Here's some content. Here's some free stuff. Here's a free video. Here's a free whatever. Hey, I have a free trial for this. You can check this out. So email list is very, very important. Everyone should have one. If you have a business, I have one, and it's going really good. And the best thing about an email list, I'm gonna say this, I'm gonna go. If you start something new, let's say you start a new company, or a new shirt company, or you create socks and you got a new sock company, or you create a new software, or you made a new YouTube video, you could send that list, the YouTube video, and get views instantly. You could send your list, your first shirt you made, and see if it sell. You might make a couple sales instantly. You don't have to buy traffic. You don't got to post on Facebook hoping somebody will buy it. Your list that you engage on a weekly basis, they know who you are, and they already know what you're trying to do. So it's always a good thing to have a list. So this is my little rant, my little video. My name is Tyrone. Check out my blog at thexking.com. Check me out. Subscribe to my video. Give me a thumbs up if you like that. If you want more information about email lists and how to get more subscribers, let me know in the comments below, and I'll do a real quick video on the fastest way they build a list in like 10 days and start emailing people, the frequency you email them, this, that, and the third. So thanks for watching. Peace.